Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope everybody is good, everybody is living their life to the fullest, and everybody is happy. Yeah, so today is the day where I've been feeling completely low, completely out of my mind, but now I'm fine because I got my girlies. I have my group, my girl best friends who were there with me from Anthony. Even till now, they're the same. Even to someone like Simran, I've been not talking since past few years, but she called me yesterday, and it just feels so good. Like literally after 4 years, she called me because we had some conflict, and she called me after 4 years, and it never felt so good. Like talking to her. So yeah, I would say also I have all my 6 friends back in the group, and now like I don't think so I want anything in life. Yeah, actually there's a reason why this happened, and I'm so sad, and it really feels very bad that one of my friend from boys section, he just passed away a couple of days back. And bro, he was the most charming, the most active fellow we all knew from girl section. He was very famous because he used to play so many sports, and I used to play volleyball, and then we used to get in touch, talk, play together, and it was nice. He was in our class. His sudden news shattered us all, and it brought us all together. This shouldn't be happening. Somebody's death should not be the reason that brings your friendship together. Friends are supposed to be there in your life no matter what, because the old people will tell you don't make friends, they're this, they're that. From the past experiences, they'll tell you to stay away from friends, but trust me, it's the most amazing thing to have a friend who has your back, though not physically, but even if they're texting you. Trust me, no one does that in this era where life is so fast forward and everything is moving so quickly. They're there to text you back, they're there to hold you and console you when you're in your lows. So yeah, hold back to them, don't let them go away. I would say from my experience that I've had so far. Yeah, I'm still reading this book and it cannot get any better. I'm feeling so good. But I don't know, something just happened today and everything feels so weird. And yeah, I also wanted to tell, there's this Agachi in the group. She has sent some pictures I wanted to discuss about. She just sent us some pictures which was like, I don't know where was it from all these years, but there's a very 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 funny story. So yeah, this video is gonna be like, storytelling kind of, because I really want to get back to the nostalgic thing about boarding school life. It always feels good. You ask anybody who have stayed in a boarding school, they will tell you that is the most amazing things that a child can have in his or her childhood. So you must go. I don't know about now, but in the times of 2007, 8, 9, 10 and so on, it was so good. Like everything was so settled, and yet we had to worry about getting our socks together, like for our school, and so many things. Like the memory is insane. Like I'll just cry if I start telling you. Those time it felt like कब निकलेंगे इस jail से, but right now I just feel like that was not the actual jail. The actual jail that we are experiencing is, I think, now and this. Even though there is no bars and everything, but still life feels like a jail. And when you are 27, everybody is so tensed about your marriage, so things are just kind of bad. Yeah, so now I'll tell you this right here. You'll see a couple of girls in a blue dress. That's typically our night dress, which we had been given by our school. And if you're not wearing it, you will be killed, literally killed. Like if you're not in the night dress, after dinner, that is at 7:30, you are going to go to principal's office tomorrow. The reason had to be only that. Okay, I don't know, right now it might be feeling so silly, but in those time it was that. Like, I'm not lying, you can ask anybody. And it was it. I don't know about boys section, but we literally had that thing to wear the blue thing. And so you can see a couple of girls also crying, like they're like going down the head and crying. And you can see me smiling. You can see Simran Hisaria, my other friend who was in a purple jacket, literally laughing. Shubhangi, you can see Ponu, you can see Agachi, you can see just beside me, and you can see the girls crying. This is typically because the reason that they're crying is that they were caught writing letters to the boys, and also anonymously, but it was just like a prank letters that they were writing, and not one, two. I guess they were writing to so many boys, and and we caught them. Turns out that we also read them, and one was for my brother also, I guess. I didn't tell him, but yeah, I guess so. And we caught them red-handed, and literally we didn't bully because this was the wrong thing. Writing prank letters, okay fine, you do 1, 2, but sending it to so many and all at once. And imagine somebody receives it and they might be like, oh, this girl likes me, I'm so think, who is this girl? And they might be thinking of like, was that a distraction kind of thing? So who are they actually targeting and stuff? And then hum log questions pucha that they literally cried, and they also admitted that they would never ever write the letters again. And they were close to us, but that day we just wanted them to realize that it's not a good thing to write prank letters, especially at this age. They were just in class 6 and 7, I think, and we were in class 10. So we're like, don't get involved in this, study, play sports, that should be your main concern, not all these look very tacky and cheap and stuff like that. So yeah, the story was that. Coming on to the next, like there are like 61 photos, but I'm just going to give a thing of, I really wanted to share this because very close to my heart. Yeah, this picture right here is the last day of school, and we had all that written in the shirt, and kind of makes me feel so bad leaving Anthony's. I wish I'd repeated some class and stayed back so that I didn't have to face this rat race. I'm fine, I'm doing good. And it was the last day, and this is Swati, that's Simran, and that's Sneha at the back. And we're literally so excited to go home. We didn't even realize that this was the last and this is never going to come back again, and things are going to change. Nothing. The teachers out there used to tell us, just pass class 10, तब तो life मज़ा ही मज़ा है. I didn't know that they were mocking, and we all believed in it. Like, we believed that life would be better after class 10, after getting out of the school, so-called jail in those days. But I really didn't know it would actually turn the opposite. And they were like, class 10, and we were so excited to go home because it was the last day and everything was over, like hota hai na, everything over, and finally you're done and dusted. So it was that. It also, obviously, we cried because obviously we would miss our friends. We'd all be in different parts of India, some abroad, and we'd never get to see each other unless something calls out, like a wedding or somebody's. So that was that. And this, I would tell you, this girl is Agachi Sangma. She is one of our prettiest friend, also the one who had great, क्या उसको बोलते हो, like so good at dressing. Like, we used to call her the goddess. Agachi, what should we wear? Should this and this go? Will this and this go along with each other? Should we wear this heels or that heels with this dress and that dress? All kind of dresses, fashion problem would come to this goddess. Like, she was it. And you would see her collection of clothes. She had all that was, that a celebrity who used to wear overcoat in past 15 years in India. Like, okay, people in heels, okay, fine, I understand that, but we coming from somewhere rural area, but in her, the love for Bihar and Bihari people and Bihari friends were exponentially high, like exponentially good, you can say. She loved us, and she loved the way we lived, the way we joked around, the way we made fun of each other. Like, she loved our culture, so she was with us every time. She never used to be with her friends. Like, hota hai na, northeastern, you guys stay together, and we all had certain groups, but she chose to stay with us. And the advantage that she got by staying with us is she learned lot of good words. She learned how to fight back. Literally could kill. If you are like hampering me or if you're troubling me, I'll kill you. I'll poke a knife into your chest, like that kind of fight. We also learned so many things from her: to be humble, to be polite, to be kind, to be to be good in every way a human could be. And yeah, she also taught us a lot of things. That was it. Talking about next. Okay, this is also a picture of me and Agachi. We were in excursion. We were like climbing a mountain, coming down, and then I think Simran took our pictures. So this was this. And here you can see a picture where it's a dormitory and you can see the trunks. I miss the cupboards. Oh my god, we had like this small cupboard. Right now you can see we have like a full wardrobe. Those days what we had is a small cupboard, this small. Okay, you had 4 pairs of clothes. If you have a hanky or a socks, you can put it inside like side corner, and 4 clothes always used to be there. A week's clothes, that is, when you wake up you have to change into a school dress, then games dress, then colored dress for your evening classes and evening play, just walk and all that. And then lastly you had the night dress that you saw previously, blue color. So yeah, and that's Agnika now in a gray t-shirt, gray shirt. And that's all of us at the back. And that's our bunk beds that you can see. Oh god, I'm looking here because I have the picture here. I'm gonna just describe it like that. And bro, I miss it so much. I miss it so much. So much. I can't express the feeling right now, but it really hits me hard when I think of Anthony's. It was so good. This is the collage that we had made for Friendship Day. And yeah, nothing could get better than this. Nothing. Can I read out to you the thing that is written there? Best friend, the one you can get mad at only for a short period because you have important stuff to tell them. Like even if you're mad at them, it's only for a short period of time because there's so many important things in mind. Like when we were in boarding school, there were like so many other group of people. They used to fight with us. Anyone coming to us, with some grudges, bro, you don't have anyone to tell. You have to tell your group friends, and you have to tell if you have sister, well and good, but group friend was the main, like a group of friends who will always there, who will always be there, to support your back. So if you're not having that, bro, you're gone, you're bullied, because you need to have that group of friends. This was made by us somewhere in the blue house. You can see me, Simran, Shubhangi, because we were in blue house. And red house, you can see Agachi, but obviously right now you can't. Greenhouse, Agnikana. Agni, green or yellow, I think. She was in both the house, but in this phase of time, the last sports day, I don't know which house she was in. I think it was green. So yeah, that's that. SAS St. Anthony School. Girls, G for girls. We're so proud of ourselves, so proud to be a girl. But now, so hectic. I wish this time just passes and everything gets fine, everything gets better, and at least we'll have something to tell our kids. Like, we faced this, so it's fine. It's fine if you're going through something. It'll definitely pass one day. And learn to let go, because holding things will only make it complicated. So just learn to let go. The things which are meant for you will definitely come to you, no matter what, and it'll come so easy, so comforting, so smoothly that you will love it, and you'll have no complaints, nothing. Everything will just happen and just go by. So just chill, okay? And I'll tell you, yeah, this picture is the one which is clicked, and behind you can see a tower. That is the Kurseong's town. And this photo, there's Purnima, there's me, Shubhangi in the middle, Agachi and Simran. And we just had the EduCom classes started in our school, and we're so excited about it. Like, we'll get to see videos and not read the books, see the videos and understand, and then write your own answers. So excited about it. But when it came, it just became like a normal thing. Like, it was like that. So back you can see that it was class 10, I think. Yeah, it was class 10. This girl, this is Simran. She, kya bataun main? I guess I need to have them on my, shows. I mean, I need to have them on my channel, to describe themselves properly, because it'll not do a justice if I tell about these people. Like, everyone is different and everyone has their own speciality, you can say, like that. So Simran was a kind of girl that, you know, had confidence in herself. First thing first, I would like to mention that, because it's very important for a girl to have that confidence in you, that you are strong, you're capable, and you can do anything in life and you're not afraid of anyone. So that was her. Should be ready to deal with anything. Someone had a fight with this a maid, please come and, you know, solve out things. She would just come. Like that kind of thing. And yeah, oh my god, she was the great teacher. My history geography, passing in history geography was not my cup of tea. Like, I don't know, I didn't hate those subjects, but it never made me feel good. Never ever had it made me feeling good. And I would be so lazy at reading it and, you know, writing the answers. Trust me, she knows it better. She knows better than anyone could. And in the final exams, I remember in class 10, like if you're failing the final exams, you'll not be sitting for the boards. So it was like that. And she had me preparing for it the entire night, and I got 67 or something out of 100. And I was so happy, and I couldn't thank her as much, but I don't know, I passed because of her. And she was a girl, and she also had some, you know, some more things that only Agachi. Some days I will, you know, take them. If I ever get a chance, I'll take them on my channel, and I literally will talk and you'll feel so good, you know, watching it. Like how much I can imagine. So yeah, she's that girl. I love her so much, and we were not in contact since 5 years now, but here we are, and it makes me feel so good that she's back in her same tone, no change in accent, though she's in London or whatever. But I'm so happy that everything is so good about her even now. Moving on to next. This. Let's have a that. This is us. I will definitely add Agni here. And Riddhi, I don't know where you are lost, but if you're watching this, I love you so much. I need to add Photoshop or whatever, do anything, but add you guys here. But I don't know why you guys are not there. Whatever it is, they were the mains, and you know, the main, in a way to say that they helped me and all of us. I think we had a good days in our school life, and you know, we had somewhere, the dates are also written, I think it was 28th of 11, I think 20th month of November. Yeah, we had our vacations going on, and we had to wear the summer vacation and the winter vacation dress, and we had to click a picture in this, and you can see Shubhangi, guys. Please see Shubhangi's hair. I love it. I love the puff that she's made. In those days, this was the most trending, and nobody knew it better than her. Now I get it. Get my models. I love you guys. I love you so much. Now, what? Okay, guys. This picture, I can't even imagine myself like that, like so pretty. Like I think I straightened my hair and stuff like that. And the guy you can see in the middle, it's a sir, Devin sir. He was the hero of our school, and I can't thank him enough, like teaching us maths and physics. I think it was the perfect subject that had been selected, you know, to be taught by him. And bro, I got a 99 out of 100 in my final exams of class, not final exams, first term of class 10. 99 out of 100. Can you imagine? Can you imagine that? I don't think so. And it was only because of this person, this teacher. And I'm so thankful. If you're watching this, sir, your explanation and your teachings will never fade. Until now, I still memorize the things that I have to in your way, by teaching myself your way. So I think that's the greatest thing that I've learned from you. And yeah, thank you so much for teaching us, being our teacher and whatever. Yeah, and I know which day is this. This was the 1st of January. We had to go to city center to enjoy, and I'm fully dressed up because I had a date. Yeah, I had a date. I'm not lying, I had a date. Okay. And Agachi and Simran, like, they were so good, so good. They just left me and I was just lost. I was just a little girl. Whatever it is. Next. Okay, this picture. I love it so much because this is the actual thing we taught Agachi. Actual thing we taught Agachi. Like, doesn't matter what you're wearing, what you have, where you come from. If somebody's troubling you, just kick their ass, like how she's doing in this picture. That's the thing we taught her. And she does it so perfectly. I love you so much. Oh, what? Okay, we all are there. Agni, I'll put your photo. I'm so sorry. This is the picture where we all are there, and this is the one. Yeah, I know what is this. This is an evening walk. We were actually in our winter classes, crash course you can say, where they used to keep us for 2 months for preparing us for boards, and we had to go for walks because so much of studies going on out there. Like, those 2 months was hectic. You have to get up at, I'll tell you the story, you have to get up at 4 o'clock, and a warden used to be Hindi miss. She used to carry like this thick stick, and she used to beat us. No, how to say you, no emotion she got. She used to be so brutal. She used to just bash us up. Yeah, she used to just bash us up. Get up, you have to study, you have to get good marks. Bro, we are studying, we would get good marks, but so yeah. Yeah, so where was I? My camera just shut because battery. Okay, no, yeah, that picture I was talking about. We had gone for a walk, and because of the tiring and all the time studying, they used to send us for walks, and that's how we got that picture. And I'm so proud of it. I'll put it in my, wherever I'm gonna stay, I'll put it in my bedroom so that I can just admire to it like all day long. And I think this will be my one therapy poster or photo, I think. Thank you for making my life amazing. Like, thanks. At least I can, at least I have something to be happy about. Like, I'm so happy. Oh god, look at us posing. And the down thing, I just kept it fast. I think that why or kya hai, I don't know. I just kept it so fast and posed like a pro, like literally. Can you see that? We're crossing our legs and oh god, again this picture. I just love it so much. Pony, you're looking so beautiful. I just love you like that. Again, these are a few pictures which we took. Oh, so cute. I just love it. Just love it. Have to do that music, you. I love it. I love it. That's it. That was it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll come back with another video because I want to be consistent. Now I have taken the oath and I swear to be on it. Like, I'm going to bring out the videos for you guys.